How you doing? Man, it's your boy, Chef J. Ponder, in the kitchen, you know what I'm saying, with my man, Durant. You like my number 2 guy right here.
So I'm right here, number 2 down here. Usually the utility guy, like the Swiss Army knife, man. Like, when I'm here, man, you can always depend on me for anything.
The finesse and the plates, too.
I always loved being in the kitchen, though, coming from my grandmother and my father. You know what I mean? My father was an executive chef for years, you know.
Right.
Just love being in the kitchen, though, man. But I started taking it seriously probably about 5-6 years ago once my mom passed, so.
So the guy who got here making these waffles.
Top tier waffle batter, berry compote, and we killing them. Get at my man, catering, anything you need, my man got you, bro. Holla at me.